So guys, this is my scooter. So it's I already ripped. There's like plastic thing off it. So let's get started. So let's stop. So we'll just set this right here. This thing will cooperate and come out. So I'm just gonna turn this over. Horrible packaging. For the worst I've ever seen. So let's take this to the side. We got our forks or CNC out of a solid piece of I think aircraft grade aluminum. God, these things are nasty as hell. We got one solid core razor wheel, really nice. And then Allen wrench. And then we got the actual box. So let's get to it. So we got another solid core. Look at the wheel. And it's solid white and like brownish color. Wow. Do they look a difference to you? Is there a difference? That just looks like complete crap. I think they're Swiss style bearings, razor. Spin pretty fast. Let's put these aside. I showed you the fork already with the hole is already punched for the HIC system. And it's hollow, I think. Hollow. Hollow on the bottom. Oh, nice. We got the bars. They're oversized for an HIC system. The clamp is a double solid forge out of a piece of, I think, of a Air Force grade aircraft grade aluminum. Pretty wide. I mean, like, I don't like the wideness, but I mean, like, I can deal with it, I guess. I got really nice phase 2 grips. And these bars, I think, they're made out of 41 to 31 chromoly, which is a really good handlebar making. A handlebar. Where's the headset? And this is the shim that goes over for the HIC. So, and I think that's the compression cap right there. Just the headset cap and everything. Let's get to the deck. Put that off to the side there. This is the Jason Beggs fishing deck. Horrible packaging. Wow. Got the gusset on the bottom with the CNC, with the I think, I don't know, head cup, or just head tube cups on a cup. So then really nice grip tape. The brake, pretty nice. I like it. It's real wide. I've heard it's pretty hard to flip around though, so that's the only thing I'm worried about. So let's get to the build. So I'll come back to you right when I'm done. Hey, what's up guys? We're back. We got the scooter put together. and I just took it for a little test ride, and I really like it. So it's just pretty good all around. So let's just do a little scooter check here. So at the top I got Phase 2 squishy grips. I like them a lot. I got the Phase 2 bars with 3 degrees of back sweep. You can sort of see that there. So it makes it comfortable for riding and doing tricks on. And then I got an oversized, I don't know what you call it, oversized bars with a 2-bolt Kaufman clamp, CNC out of Air Force grade aluminum. I don't know, Air Force grade metal. So now it's back here. For the headset, I have no clue what headset it is, but it spins extremely fast. I really like it. And then for the forks, I got their CNC out of the same material that the clamp CNC'd out of. They have a star nut built in them, which I really like. And then for the wheels, I got 110 mil Razor solid core wheels with Swiss style bearings, I think. They spin crazy fast. One thing I like about these wheels is that they're very rarely to de-hub, because instead of having a flat surface as the cap, there's multiple grooves, so it gives the bonding surface a lot better of a bond, and it makes the wheels a lot stronger and they don't de-hub as easy. For the deck, I got the Razor deck, Razor Phase 2 deck with it has a really nice gusset here, and the head tube is really longer than all the other head tubes out there, so it distributes the rider's weight across the big head tube. So if you have like a small head tube, you would be putting a lot more pressure on it. So that's what I like about it. For the down tube, it's not plunged on the bottom, but there's an X brace running directly through this thing to make it, really strong. And for the grip tape, Jason Beggs grip tape with a really cool logo that I think Jason Beggs' friend made for him. For the brake, I got a flex fender-ish thing for the brake. And then for the other back wheel, I got the same one with Swiss bearings. And that's for my, oh yeah, and it has an HIC system. If you know what oversized bars mean, you know what an HIC is. And here's a drop test for you. So pretty dialed out of the box. I mean, I just rubbed it around here a little bit, so I really like it. I mean, it spins pretty quickly. I mean, the only thing, if you're like my size, I would prefer to cut down these bars and like lengthwise. If you've rode with smaller bars, I mean, I would do that, but I mean, the length is pretty reasonable. The decks, I think, is a lot longer than other decks, and it makes it easier, I've heard it makes it harder to do tricks, but I think it makes it easier. So that's my scooter unboxing check. So I'll just show you some couple clips here. And that's my scooter check and unboxing video. And so, peace.